The importance of having a will and estate plan. Hello and welcome to our discussion on the importance of having a will and estate plan. You might be thinking, oh, estate planning is only for the wealthy, I don't need it. But let me tell you, estate planning is not just for the rich and famous. It's for everyone who wants to ensure their assets are distributed according to their wishes and their loved ones are taken care of. Let's start with the basics. What is a will? A will is a legal document that outlines how you want your assets to be distributed after you pass away. It can also name guardians for any minor children and an executor who will manage your estate. Without a will, your assets will be distributed according to the laws of your state, which may not align with your wishes. Here is a list of reasons why having a will and estate plan is important with some examples. 1. Control over asset distribution. A will gives you control over how your assets are distributed after you pass away. This is important for everyone, regardless of wealth or social status. For example, let's say you live in India and have a family-owned business. Without a will, your business could be inherited by someone who is not interested in running it, which could cause it to fail. However, with a will, you can ensure that your business is passed down to a family member who is capable of running it. 2. Minimizing family conflicts. When there is no clear direction on how assets should be distributed, family members can become divided and even go to court to fight over who gets what. This can lead to bitterness and resentment that can last for years. For example, in some cultures, it is common for property to be inherited by the eldest son. Without a will, this can cause conflicts among family members who may feel left out or unfairly treated. 3. Protecting assets. An estate plan can help protect your assets from creditors, lawsuits, and other legal issues. This is important for everyone, especially those who have valuable assets or are at risk of being sued. For example, if you live in the United States and are a healthcare professional, you may be at risk of being sued for malpractice. An estate plan can help protect your assets from any potential lawsuits. 4. Minimizing taxes. An estate plan can also help minimize taxes, which is important for everyone who wants to ensure that their loved ones receive as much of their assets as possible. For example, in Canada, there is an estate tax that can be as high as 40% of the value of the estate. However, with proper estate planning, this tax can be minimized or even avoided. 5. Ensuring care for loved ones. An estate plan can also ensure that your loved ones are taken care of in the event of your incapacity or death. This is important for everyone, especially those who have dependents who rely on them for support. For example, if you live in South Africa and have young children, an estate plan can ensure that they are provided for if you pass away unexpectedly. In conclusion, having a will and estate plan is important for people all over the world, regardless of their region or culture. It can provide control over asset distribution, minimize family conflicts, protect assets, minimize taxes, and ensure care for loved ones. By creating an estate plan, you can ensure that your legacy lives on as you intended, no matter where you call home.